these little blue cups right here, they don't work for pigeons. So I'm going to install this. It's a float valve one. Hopefully it does work for pigeons. They just can't keep the water in there enough. If I don't like it, they don't like it. So let's go. We're going to go through this and we're going to fix this. I don't have a shut-off valve, so I got to watch the camera that it don't get wet. Alright, let's see if I can line this up. There we go. Right here. I'm going to try this first, girls. I know you're thirsty. I see it in your face. I'll do that. This is going to be as easy to install. Just give me a minute. And it's working. Alright, I bought two types, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the other style that I bought. In this first cage, they got a hole through here, but they won't in the future, so put another breeder pair in this hole. This has got a big orange thing. It's a level one. I'm gonna try these in my duck pens, just to give them a permanent freshwater spot. Rubber disc can come off with it. Filling with water, see how it does. I haven't tried these before. I know the red ones work. I'll put two in there. This one, we're going to put the orange one in here because it seems to be easier to install. I know you're looking. Sugars. Turn and lock. Spin the sucker off. And it's filling up just like the last one, so that's working out too. I'm trying to do better with these pigeons. I want to do them right. These two are rollers, and I believe they already have an egg in the box, and those two are Merdinas, and they're not old enough to breed yet. So we're good with these guys right now. I'm actually going to install a water thingy into their thing soon. I'm going to buy some T-fittings. I need to go to a hardware store so bad. But if you're doing pigeons, these don't work. But the red cups and these little orange cups, that one's holding water. I probably got a little bit of a drip. I can tighten it up later. It don't matter, this spot stays muddy year round. That one stays full because nobody's in there. So when I move my next pair into this box, I'm gonna go pick them out, and then I'm gonna put a blockade in the middle of this one and move some into that box. All right, I'm gonna bring y'all some food too while I'm out here. Let y'all eat in your container. Put these guys on too. No need to fight. Look at them crazy birds. There was still some in there and y'all going nuts. Little picky birds who didn't want certain seeds. So that's my rollers, that's my Merdinas. And they all got fresh, clean, brand new waterers, and you hear the pigs running. So thanks for watching. There's a little pigeon short. We'll see you in the next one.